Good evening, guys. Welcome back with the second puzzle of Four Stars Sudoku. In today's newspaper on Tuesday, October 10th, 2023, and I've already solved one puzzle, the 3 stars Sudoku. Well, it's not the 3 stars, but the 2 stars, I believe. We have 3 puzzles left: the binary, the jigsaw Sudoku with 4 stars, and the Sudoku with 4 stars. And this will be number 7247. Before I start, I always count the printed digits. This one has 24 printed digits. Yes, 4 stars Sudoku has always 24 printed digits. And it's indicated with 4 stars. And for 4 stars puzzle, I need 30 minutes or more. That's my time limit, 30 minutes or more. Is this really a 4 stars? We don't know. We will see. So let's get started. Let me scan the puzzle. We have only 1 1. We have here 3 2s. We have here 3 3s, 2 4s, 3 5s, 4 6s. All right. 2 7s, 8s, 3 8s, and 2 9s. So it's divided, except the 6s. Let me start with the 6 then. Here we have a 6. Here 6 in this column, 6 in that column. So the column between in the middle column, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. We see a 6 in this row, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 6 in this row, 6 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 6 should be there. 6 6, okay. 6 6, yeah. 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 6. We have a 6 in this row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. There's 6 in this column, no 6 in those 3 boxes. So the 6 in this big square could be here, could be there. 6 in the first row, 6 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 6 should be here or there. You see a 6 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 6 in more. That box should be 6. Alright, now I need to wait. Cannot continue with 6. How about the number? The number, let me see. 8 in the last column. 8 in the column next. So that column, the only place left for the 8 should be there. 8 8. Alright. Okay. Three 3. I'm thinking. 9 9. 9 9. 2 2. Yeah. Yeah. Thinking. Come on. 2 2 2. 8 8. Yeah. 8 8 8. Wow, I'm stuck. I'm really stuck. 5 3 3. Need a 3 here. Ay. What's happening? 2 2 2. 2 2. Need a 2 here. What's happening? Need a 9 here. 9 4. 9 6. 9 9. Ah, no. 9 9. Yeah. Need a 9 here. Well. Let me put some numbers. This is taking too long. Well, in the last row, we have here 1 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 missing numbers in the last row. One of the missing numbers is 9. We have a 9 in this big square, so no 9 in these two boxes. Here can be a 9 because we have a 9 in this column, so no 9 there. So the 9 in the last row could be here, could be there. So we have a 9 in one of those two boxes in the last row, 9 in the row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. Let me put the 9s there. Right. 3 missing numbers in this big square. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in the middle row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 2 in this big square should be there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. Almost 1, the 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 8 and a 9 is missing. 7 and 9, 7 and 9. Okay. Two, need a 2 there. Four. Well, I'm thinking. Think. 3, 3, 3, 3. 5, 5, 5, 5. 3, 5. Come on. Need a 2 here. 2 here. 2, 2, 2, 2. Yeah. 2, 2. Need a 6 here. We have pair. 4 in the last row. 4 in a row above. So on that row, only 2 places left. The 4 goes together with the 9 as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. So these 3 missing numbers in this big square. The numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5. 6 is missing. 7 and 8 is missing. 1, 6, 8. 1, 6, 8. We have 8 in this row, no 8 in these two boxes. So 1 box left for the 8 in this big square should be here. So the 1 and 6 are left. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 there. 6 should be here. 1 goes there. 8 in the last row. 8 in a row above. So in that row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8. Okay. 9, 4, 8. Okay. I marked those two boxes earlier with a 6. We have a 6 in this row, so this box can be 6 anymore. That box should be 6, and I've eliminated the 9, so the 9 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the last row. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and a 7. 1 and a 7. Let me mark those. The other pair in this big square are the numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing. 4 and a 5 is missing. 3 and a 5. 3 and the 5. Let me mark those. 3 and 5. Okay. All right. We have all the 6s, and all the 6s are used. I can see. Digit number 1, number 6. Need a 7 here. 3, 5, and need a number here. The 2. Need a 2 here. Okay. 7 and a 9. We have a 9 now in this column. No 9 there. 9 should be here. 7 goes there. 7 in this column. 7 in the column next. So in the last column, only place left for the 7 should be there. We have a pair. The 4 and a 9 in this column. The 4 and a 9 in... Sorry. The 4 and a 9 in the last column. The 4 and a 9 in the column next. So in that column, the only 2 places left for the 4 and 9 goes in those two boxes as a pair. 4 and 9, 4 and 9. We have a 9 in the third row. No 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. All right. 4. 4, 4, 4. 4, 4, 4, 4, 4. All right, 2 missing numbers in the last column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and the 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 3 in the second row. No 3 there. 3 should be here and 1 goes there. So 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers 1, 2 is missing. 3, 4, 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. That means 2 missing numbers in this column. For numbers 1 is missing. The 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there, and 1 should be here. 3 goes there. 3 and 5, we have 3 now in this row, no 3 there. 3 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1. 2 is missing. The 3, the 4, and the 5 is missing. 2 and 5, 2 and 5. We have a 5 in this row, no 5 there. 5 should be here. 2 goes there. Alright. 2, 2, 2. Then, yeah, and now, 5, 5, okay, 8, 8, 8, 8, okay, how about, 9, 9, 9, come on, come on, come on, come on, 1, 2, 3, 4, 8, 3, 4, 8, 8, 8 in this row, 8 in that row. So in the row between the middle row, only 2 places left for the 8 should be here or there. See an 8 in this second column, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 2 numbers left in this row for numbers 1, 2, 3 is missing and a 4 is missing. 3 and a 4, 3 and a 4. Well, cannot fill this yet, need to wait. But we have 8 in the first column, 8 in the second column. So in the third column, only 2 places left for 8 should be here or there. See an 8 in the third row, no 8 there. 8 should be there. 8 in this row, 8 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 3 places left for 8 should be here or there. We see an 8 in this column, no 8 there. Here an 8 in the middle column, no 8 there. So the only place left for the 8 should be there. And all the 8s are used. I can see. Digit number 2, number 8. Well, then let me see. We have here 4, 4, 4, 4. Interesting. 4. Well. 3, 3, 3, 3. Yeah. 3, 3, 3, 3, 3. 9. Yeah, 9 in the first row, 9 in the third row. So in the row between the second row, only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. See a 9, this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here. 9, 9, okay. 9, 9, 9. Okay, 2, 5, and 4. Need a 4 here. Well, 3 missing numbers in this row. Second row, one of the missing numbers is 2. Here can be 2, because we have a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. Here can be 2, we have a 2 in this column, no 2 there. So the only place left for the 2 in the second row should be here. So if I eliminated the 5, so the 5 goes there. So 2 numbers left in the second row for numbers 1, 2, 3. 4 is missing and the 5 is missing. 4 and a 5, 4 and a 5. Well, cannot fill this yet. Need to wait. 5, 5, 5, 5. 5 in the first column, 5 in the third column. So the column between the second column, only 2 places left for the 5 should be here or there. We see our 5 in the first row, no 5 there. 5 should be there. 1 box left in the second row for the 1 and the 2. 3, 4 is missing. 4, 4. 5, 5, 5, 5, 5, 5. Cannot continue with the 5 now. Need to wait. 7. Yeah, 1, 7. I'm thinking need a 2 here, and I need a 2 there. Need a 2 here. Come on, come on, come on. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Oh wait, 4 in this column, 4 in the middle column. So it'll come next. Only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in this row, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4 in this row, 4 in that row. So the row between the middle row, only place left for the 4 should be here. 4 in the third row, 4 in the second row. So in the first row, the only 2 places left for the 4 should be here or there. We see a 4 in the second column, no 4 there. 4 should be here. 4. We have a 4 and a 9. We have a 4 now in the first column, so no 4 there. 4 should be here, and the 9 goes there. All right. 9, 9. 9 in this column, 9 in the middle column, so the column next, the only place left for the 9 should be there. 9 in the first column, 9 in the second column, so the third column, the only 2 places left for the 9 should be here or there. We see a 9 in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be there. And all the 9s are used. I can't see. Digit number 3, number 9. And all the 4s, and all the 4s are used. I can't see. Digit number 4, number 4. All right. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing. 3 in this column, 3 in the middle column, so the column next down. The 2 places left for 3 should be here or there. We see here 3 in the first row, no 3 there, 3 should be there. Then 1 and 7, okay. How about 1, 5, 7. 5, 5, okay. Thinking, 5, 5. 1, 7, 2. 1, 7, 2. No. 2, 2. Yeah. 2 in this row, 2 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. We see a 2 in the second column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So in the third column, the only place left for the 2 should be here. 2 in the third row, 2 in the second row. So in the third row, the first row, the only 2 places left for the 2 should be here or there. You see a 2 in this column, no 2 there. 2 should be here. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 is missing. 1 and 7, 1 and a 7. We have a 7 in the first column, no 7 there. 7 should be here. 1 goes there. 1 box left in the first column for number the 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 7 in this row, 7 in the middle row. So the row below, the only place left for the 7 should be there. 7 in the first row, 7 in the second row. So the third row, the only 2 places left for the 7 should be here or there. You see a 7 in this column, no 7 there. 7 should be there. 1 and a 7, we have a 7 in the middle column, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. 1 and 5, 1 and 5. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here. 5 goes there. 2 missing numbers in this big square for numbers 1 is missing. 2 and a 3 is missing. 1 and 3, 1 and 3. We have a 1 in this row, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and a 3 goes there. 1 box left in the third row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 is missing. And the final number in this big square for number 1. Finish in 19 minutes. Well. We solve it again. 4 stars. No. 3 stars. No. Let me give this a 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So I'm well pleased with the time. And I like this one. Yes, I really do. Do you think so? Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it or solve it by yourself. Thank you again for watching. And I will see you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye-bye for now.